Hello guys, welcome back. This is the 6th day of our international national ride in South India. Here we can see everybody is kayaking except me. I don't know why. Oh, I'm recording. So let's go and we'll meet our riders brothers. Let's go. This thing is very tiring, but still we'll make it. We'll find our brothers, the Himalayan brothers. Oh, Himalayan brothers, but slow down. I'm coming. So I'm changing my gear to 5th now. Hope I'll see my Himalayan brothers very soon. So here they are very few meters apart from me now. I can see them, Himalayan brothers, and here we came. So say hi guys, say cheese, butter. Oh, and accident.